B4 U Academy, Achieving Excellence Together.
Tolee barattoota akkam jirtu nagaa keessanii jecha viidiyoo keenya irraa kana keessatti emerging technology final exam isaa waliin dalagna. Akkuma baratame egaa warreen chaanaalii kanaaf haarawaa taatan subscribe gochuun maatii akka taatan isin jechuun barbaada. Akkasumallee warreen maatii taatanii jirtan viidicha like gochuu hin dagatinaadha. Kallattiidhumaan gara gaaffii keenya irratti isin dabarsa. Tolee gaaffii tokkoffaarraa gaafa eegallu what is artificial intelligence? A field that aims to make humans more intelligent. B, a field that aims to improve the security. C, a field that aims to develop intelligent machine. D, a field that aims to mine the data. So artificial intelligence kan nuti jennuuni damee yookaan immoo meeshaa akka dhala namaatti hojjetu intelligent ta'e maashina intelligent ta'e oomishuudha. So kanaaf a field that aims to develop intelligent machine kan jettu kun caara kan jettu kun deebii gaaffii kanaatti jechaadha. Gaaffii lammaffaa. Which of the following is not a fundamental component of an IT system? Fundamental component of IT system kan hin taane kamidha? A. Sensory. B. Connectivity and data processing. C. User interface. D. Transformer. So the correct answer is D. Transformer kan jettu kana jechaadha. Which one of the following is not the disadvantage of AI? Which one of the following is not the disadvantage of AI? A. Useful as a public utility. B. High cost. C. Cannot think out of the box. D. No feelings and emotions. E. Increase dependency on machines. F. C and E. So the correct answer is A. Useful as public utility is not the disadvantage of AI. It is advantage of AI. So the correct answer is A. Useful as a public utility is not disadvantage of AI. Blank is the merging of real and virtual worlds to produce new environments and visualization where physical and digital objects coexist and interact in real time. Blank is the merging of real and virtual worlds to produce new environments and visualization where physical and digital objects coexist and interact in real time. A. Mixed reality. B. Augmented reality. C. Virtual reality. D. A and B. E. B and C. So the correct answer is A. Mixed reality. Maaf wantoota really addunyaa irra wanta jiranii fi akkasumas immoo wantoota dijitaalawaa ta'an walitti fide mixed godhee kan ilaalu mixed reality jedhama. Kanaaf deebinsaadha. What risks and challenges should be considered in the Internet of Things? A. Privacy and security. B. Energy consumption. C. Network congestion. D. All of the above. So the correct answer is D. All of the above is the correct answer. How many main components of IT mainly consist of? How many main components of IT mainly consist of? A. 2. B. 4. C. 3. D. 5. So the correct answer is 4. The main components of IT mainly consist 4 components. There are sensor, network, data processing, and application. Kanaaf deebinshi baa afur kan jettu kana jecha main components IT afurtu jira. Which of the following does not come under the three pillars of digital transformation. Which of the following doesn't come under the three pillars of digital transformation? A. Information privacy. B. Family privacy. C. Individual privacy. D. Communication privacy. So, the correct answer is B. Family privacy is not under the three pillars of digital transformation. So, family privacy is the answer. In levels of AI, the stage 3 is blank. In levels of AI, the third stage is blank. A. Rule-based system. B. Domain-specific expertise. C. Reasoning machines. D. Artificial super intelligence. So, in levels of AI, the third stage is called reasoning machine. The correct answer is C. Which is not one of the challenges of the IT or Internet of Things. Which is not one of the challenges of the Internet of Things. A. Privacy. B. Flexibility. C. Technology optimization. D. Security. So, most of them are challenges of IT. But C's technology optimization is the advantage of Internet of Things. So, which one is not the challenge of IT is the technology optimization? The correct answer is C. But privacy, flexibility, security are challenges of IT. Which of the following is not an application of IT? A. Wearable device. B. Smart grid. C. Smart city. D. Adriano. Okay. The application of wearable devices application of IT. Smart grid is application of IT. Smart cities application of IT. But Adriano is not application of IT. So the correct answer is D. Okay, gaafii 11ffaa irra geenyerra. Which of the following reality provides the ability to have one hand in real world and the other in an imaginary place? Breaking down basic concepts between real and imaginary. A. Hybrid reality. B. Augmented reality. C. Virtual reality. D. All. So, paartiin tokko riil worldii keessa jira. Paartiin tokko immoo addunyaa yaadan uumamte keessa kan jiru hybrid reality yookaan immoo mixed reality jedhamuun waamama. Kanaaf deebiin isaa hybrid reality jedhama. Yookaan immoo gama biraatiin mixed reality jennee waamna jechaadha. Inni maaf lamaan isaanii augmented reality irra virtual reality irra bakka tokkotti walitti qabee waan jiruuf hybrid reality ta'a jechaadha deebiin isaa. Arra kan jirtu. Gaafii 12ffaa. Which one of the following is not general ethical principles? Not general ethical principles. A. Avoid harm. B. Be honest and trustworthy. C. Perform work only in areas of competency. D. Respect privacy. So, the correct answer is C. Perform work only in areas of competency is not general ethical principle. It is the professional principle. So the correct answer is C. Which definition best fits augmented reality? Which definition best define the augmented reality? A. Technology that turns physical object into digital object. B. Technology that completely immerses users in a new digital environment. C. Technology that overlays digital information on top of real-world items. D. Technology that can achieve a human-level understanding of images. So, the best definition of augmented reality or describe the augmented reality is C. Technology that overlays digital information on top of real-world items. It defines the augmented reality. So the correct answer is C. Tole barattoota osuma gaafii ala kanaan hojjechaa deemtanuu gaafileen tokko tokko deebiin isaanii dongora ta'uu waan danda'anii fi sirriitti cheek godhachaa deema. Maaf nam dongoruu danda'a waan ta'eef jechaadha. Kanaaf sirreeffachaa deema bakka dongorri jiru jechaadha. Gaafii 14ffaa. Which one of the following uses a head-mounted display or HMD that employs a video mixing and displays the merged image on a closed view of HMD or head-mounted display? A. Sensor. B. Optical see-through. C. Video see-through. D. GPS. So, the correct answer is C. Video see-through. Okay, which one of the following is not risk area of emerging technology? A. Driverless car. B. Drone. C. Wearables. D. Actuators. So, the not risk of area of emerging technology is actuators. D. Which one of the following is negative aspect of IT? Which one is negative aspect of IT or Internet of Things? A. Created new concern about privacy. B. It threatens to cut off people who lack access to it. C. It has been hampered by spam and viruses. D. All. So, all of these multiple choice are the negative aspect of IT or Internet of Things. So, the correct answer is D. All of the above. One of the following features of IT makes virtually anything. It enhances power of data collection to use algorithm and networks. One of the following features of IT makes virtually anything. It enhances power of data collection to use algorithm and networks. A. Connectivity. B. Sensors. C. Artificial intelligence. D. Active engagement. So the correct answer is artificial intelligence. Which of the following challenge of IT described by the sophistication of IT provides substantial personal data in extreme detail without the user's active participation? A. Flexibility. B. Agreement. C. Privacy. D. Security. So the correct one is C. Privacy. Which one of the following is not application of augmented reality in education? Not application of augmented reality in education. A. Interactive lesson. B. Higher engagement. C. Higher retention. D. Navigation. So the navigation is not application of augmented reality in education. So the correct answer is D. Navigation. Which of the following is not true about virtual reality? Not true about virtual reality. A. Fully immersive. B. Computer simulated reality. C. Done using mobile apps. D. Done using wearable wearable devices. So the correct answer is C. Done using mobile app is not true about virtual reality. So the correct answer is C. According to the 2020 conceptual framework, IT is formulated as blank. A. IT equal to service plus data plus computer plus sensor. B. IT equal to service plus device plus network plus sensor. C. IT equal to service plus data plus network plus sensor. D. IT equal to service plus data plus network plus monitoring. So the correct answer is C. IT equal to service plus data plus network plus sensor. So the correct one is C, is the conceptual framework of 2020 IT formulated. Of the following system, which can be taken as an example or definition of general AI? A. System that achieve human intelligence. B. System that perform a dedicated task with efficiency like a human. C. Systems that perform a dedicated task with intelligence. D. A and C. E. All of the above. So the correct answer is A. A is the correct one. It is defined about the general AI system that achieve human intelligence. A is the correct one. Based on the state of the heart, AI maturity level, which one of the following can be performed using any AI algorithm except A. Perceive the way humans do. B. Automate daily mundane activities. C. Predict the future based on the current trend. D. Conscious of the algorithm itself. E. None. So the correct one is D. Conscious of the algorithm itself is the correct answer. Okay. Which one of the following is not? Not one of the benefits we can get by merely using IoT or Internet of Things. A. Reduced waste. B. Intelligently analyze the data. C. Enhanced data collection. D. Improved customer engagement. E. None. So the correct answer is E. None. All of the above are benefits of IoT. Which one of the following is one of the challenges of using IoT except A. Users can be exposed to hackers. B. Individual private data can easily become in the hands of intruders. C. May fail to comply with regulations. D. Difficult to integrate with other existing or there would be existing system. E. None. The correct answer is E. None. Okay. A real person or one of us interacting or playing or fighting against with a computer generated humanoid is an example of blank. A real person interacting or playing or fighting against with a computer generated humanoid is an example of blank. A. Augmented reality. B. Virtual reality. C. Mixed reality. D. All of the above. So the correct answer is C. Mixed reality. When we breach the digital privacy, that the message and the communication will only be accessible to the sender's original intended receipt specifically we are breaching. A. Information privacy. B. Communication privacy. C. Individual privacy. D and C. E. None. So the correct one is B. Communication privacy. Messages and the communication will only be accessible to the senders. It is communication privacy. Okay. A smart hospital uses wearable sensor to collect patient data. AI to predict disease, and augmented reality glasses to display patient information during surgery. Which technology are being used? A. IoT, AI, augmented reality. B. IoT, virtual reality, AI. C. AI, mixed reality, virtual reality. D. IoT, augmented reality, virtual reality. So the correct one is A. At the first, they use IoT. At the second, they use AI. At the third, they use augmented reality glass. So the correct one is A, is the correct answer. Suppose you have a cell phone app that is designed in such a way that when a camera is focused on a historical monument, it displays a digital information about the monument. Which technology do you think is this app using? A. Augmented reality. B. Augmented virtuality. C. Virtual reality. D. Mixed reality. So the correct one is augmented reality. It's overlaid. So the correct one is A. Augmented reality. Which one of the following is not true? Not true. A. Virtual reality is immersive. B. Augmented reality uses the existing environment and overlays new information on top of it. C. Augmented reality is also called a computer simulated reality. D, A, and C. So the correct one is C. Augmented reality is also called a computer simulated reality is not true. In augmented reality, architecture makes the user interface available in browser. A. Client tier. B. Server tier. C. Mid tier. D. Data tier. So the correct one is client tier. If the augmented reality architecture makes the user interface available in the browser. So the correct one is A. Client tier. One of the following is true. One of the following is true about virtual reality. A. Google Glass. Google Glass in an example of virtual reality device. B. Smartphones are used in virtual reality. C. It requires device like head-mounted display. The users can interact with real environment objects. So the correct one is C. It requires device like head-mounted display or HMD. C is the correct one. Or it is true about virtual reality. A type of virtual reality environment in which subjects are visually isolated from the real environment. A. Immersive. B. Semi-immersive. C. Non-immersive. D. Augmented. So, the correct one is A. Immersive. Immersive are visual isolated from the real environment. Artificial intelligence devices such as Siri or Apple, Alexa or Amazon, Cortana or Microsoft, etc. can be operated by blank. A. Voice recognition. B. Keyboard entry. C. Gesture technology. D. Touch screen. So, it is voice recognition. A. Please barattoota akkuma dura isinitti hime gaafilee deebiin isaanii dogongora ta'e sirreeffachaatii deema. Blank is the networking of smart objects that communicate intelligently in the presence of internet protocol. Blank is the networking of smart objects that communicate intelligently in the presence of internet protocol. A. Blockchain. B. Data science. C. IT or Internet of Things. D. Artificial intelligence. So, the correct one is C. Internet of Things is the networking of smart objects that communicate intelligently in the presence of internet protocol. So, the correct one is C. One of the following IT challenges that describe the connected device communicating over networks expose user to various kinds of security attack. A. Security. B. Privacy. C. Complexity. D. Compliance. So the correct one is A. Security. Let's talk about the security. So the correct one is A. Security. Which of the following is not IT features or Internet of Things features? A. Human intervention. B. Active engagement. C. Sensor. D. Small device. So, human intervention is not IoT features. One of the following is disadvantage of IoT system. A. Waste reduction. B. Device interoperability. C. Use of optimized technology. D. Enhanced data collection. So, the correct one is B. Device interoperability is the disadvantage of IT system. Okay. IT device in the form of wearable like Fitbit, smart eyeglass, and LG monitors makes life much easier. This is an application of IoT in blank. A. Retail. B. Consumer use. C. Smart city. D. Utility. B. Consumer use. IoT device in the form of wearable like Fitbit, smart eyeglass, and LG monitors makes life much easier. This is an application of IT in consumer use. The correct answer is B. Blank is anything that can perceive its environment through sensory and acts upon environment through effectors. A. API. B. Agent. C. Intelligence. D. Expert system. So, agent is anything that can perceive its environment through sensor and acts upon environment through effectors. So the correct answer is agent B. Machine perception is achieved by blank. Machine perception is achieved by blank. A. Sensor. B. Effector or actuators. C. Machine learning. D. None of the above. So the correct one is sensor A. Sensors. Machine perception is achieved by sensor. Which of the following is not an advantage of artificial intelligence or AI? Not an advantage of AI. A. High accuracy with fair error. B. Increased dependency on machine. C. Useful as public utility. D. High reliability. So the correct one is B. Increased dependency on machine as the disadvantage of AI is not advantage of AI. So the correct answer is B. Increased dependency on machine. One of the following is not the application of AI. A. Chatbot. B. Product recommendation. C. Travel arrangement. D. None. So the correct one is D. None. All of the above are application of AI. So the answer is none. What type of artificial intelligence, which is an ability of machine to learn without being explicitly programmed? A. Artificial intelligence. B. Machine learning. C. Deep learning. D. A and B. So, machine learning is the correct one, is the correct answer. So, the answer is machine learning B. Which one is true about the golden year, early enthusiasm, 1956 up to 1974 era? A. Models of artificial neurons proposed and demonstrated. B. The first artificial intelligence program or logic theorist created an AI coined as an academic field. C. Companies like Facebook, Twitter, and Netflix started using AI. D. The first intelligent humanoid robot was built in Japan, which was named Wabot 1. So, the correct one is B. The first artificial intelligence program logic theorist created and AI coined as an academic field in the golden years, early enthusiasm, 1956 up to 1974. Blank is a type of AI that able to perform a dedicated task with intelligence and currently available and cannot perform beyond its field or limitation. A. General AI. B. Super AI. C. Narrow AI. D. Strong AI. So the correct answer is C. Narrow AI. Narrow AI is a type of AI that able to perform a dedicated task with intelligence and currently available and cannot perform beyond its field or limitation. gaaffii 47 irra geenyerra. Blank is an IT platform that manages unlimited number of connected devices, perform real-time device monitoring and sets up cross-device interoperability. A. Siteware. B. Car. C. ThingSpeak. D. Data. So the correct one is B. Car. Is an IoT platform that manages unlimited number of connected devices, perform real-time device monitoring and sets up cross-device interoperability. So the correct answer is B. Car. Blank uses the existing environment and overlays new information or computer-generated content on top of it. A. Mixed reality. B. Virtual reality. C. Augmented reality. D. Hybrid reality. E. A. And B. So the correct answer is augmented reality. He used on the new information on the existing environment on top of it. It's overlaid. So the correct answer is C. Blank is the future of AI, smarter than the human mind, does not exist in reality still, and it is hypothetical concept. A. Weak AI. B. Theory of mind. C. Self-awareness. D. Reactive machine. So the correct one is self-awareness. C is the future of AI smarter than the human mind. So the answer is C, self-awareness. Okay, Blank is responsible to act as a communication channel to transfer data collected from the real world to other connected devices in IT architecture. A. Sensing layer. B. Data processing layer. C. Application layer. D. Network layer. So the correct answer is D. Network layer. Network layer is responsible to act as a communication channel to transfer data collected from the real world to other connected device in IT architecture. So the correct answer is D. Network layer. Okay, gaafii 50 keenya kana fakkaata. Waan baay'ee irraa hubattan jedhee yaada. Waan waliin turtanis